We're here at Bear Davis Park. Oh God, it's beautiful. That's right. Not much to say. It's a beautiful view. You know?
On the chimney.
The chimney's right down there, yes. Careful now. This terrain is very traverse. Now we're at the top of the corner. See how it overlooks down there and down there. The canyon progresses back there. Peaks are up there. There's town over there. Let me zoom in. There's the college. Civilization.
I see my school.
There's the VA. You see your school? There's a school. Yeah. Surreal out here. That's the actual Bear Davis Park right there. But we are following a trail that leads down into here. Might find some caves. I don't know. That's where we're going next.
This might be our last video.
Don't say that. Yeah. Wow. Turn the camera around. Where'd the trail go?
I don't know.
It's there. It's just.
Over here. Or Jackson.
Wow. It's like a painting. The movie. The river runs through it. Oh God, be careful. This has to be, I have to say, the most extreme hike I've done yet. The terrain is unbearable, which is fine. It's bearable, but it's unbearable. And I should be saying the B word too much anyway, because, yeah, exactly. No, not the B-I-T. I'm talking about the GER word. Where does this trail go? Let's keep going. Be careful now.
Why is there an orange ribbon?
To market. It's muddy here.
Go.
I am. Just making sure of my surroundings. Did I go? You're supposed to go that way, but let me check.
Just in case.
No. Let's keep going, guys. Bear Davis Park, Sheridan, Wyoming. Who's gonna find it? Oh, here's a nice lookout. Oh my gosh. The camera doesn't do justice at all. It really doesn't. The mass and humongousness of these peaks. It's like we're in a national park, but we're not. And where'd the trail go? It's gone.
I know the trail is going over here.
I guess. Let's follow the Yellow Brick Road, I guess. I don't know. Hello, birdie. Are you okay?
Good enough?
Got it?
Yeah.
Look at that shot.
You guys might get a little wet, but look at it.
I don't think this is the trail, dude. Maybe we'll find a cave. That's my goal. Undiscovered cave around here. I'm sure it's been discovered before.
Here.
What?
Oh yeah, the trail.
Oh, it is.
Thanks, Dad.
What the heck?
I told you Jackson got it, Dad.
Legend. Oh.
Look at my knees, Nick. Look at mine.
I think you'll like this part. This is probably one of my favorite parts of the whole hike right now. Scream! Oh my God!